No bueno. Is there a tailgate button on that?
No.
We ain't getting this out. Slide down that hill, boy.
The bucket's gonna slide off, watch.
That don't make no sense.
All right, boys and girls, we got a little 2-yard pour coming up today. We're about to get it going.
Got the new tires on the dually. Just came back from Tire Discounters. Got the new on-road fuel diesel. Fill the truck up, hit the road. We're gonna be gone for probably 8 hours, man. We're gonna go visit a job site where we got some guys working on some custom stone steps. They're fixing some brick on it, resetting this stone. We gotta help them set it. Then we'll probably go see Laz at the second pool job he's starting, getting grade prep so we can build this big wall before we dig the pool. Got a lot going on. We're gonna bring you guys along with us. Let's go.
Do it all, boys.
Get it done.
Welcome to the Outdoor Hustle. Like that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Outdoor Hustle. I just wanna be somebody someday.
Like I said, I'll be out there today. Are you going to be available here in maybe an hour or so?
Hola, amigos. Hey, Poppy.
Make it a lot easier.
How do you turn it on?
It's on the bottom. There's a switch.
Oh! Got him. What? What, Yoni? What do you mean?
You don't like the battery?
Mas fácil. I can't do nothing right, bud. You know what I mean?
Yeah, charge.
You have to be charging the battery all the time.
Oh, Yoni. Mas fácil. Yeah, that corner back there. You get any better at English, bud, you'll be taking his job. Where's this stone at?
It's this one.
In the car. Oh, shit.
She's a big boy.
Look at this pool house, bro. Welcome to my house. I got the guys here working today. You know what I mean?
Look at that outdoor kitchen, dude. That's crazy.
Yeah, this place is sick. Bonito, más bonito. Oh, you gotta do it right here, too. This guy making us work twice, man. Christopher, he's just watching, huh? Easy day. We're stuck here right now.
Trapped.
Until these guys are ready to set the stone because they need all the manpower, including you behind the camera.
Yep.
So,
let's get everybody some lunch.
We'll order some food, eat some lunch, then set this stone, go to the next spot.
Let's go ask them what they want to eat.
What a beautiful piece of property though. Like, this is the goals, right? Let's mark this out. Unlock that truck.
I've already tried.
You've heard that song before? No bueno. Is there a tailgate button on that?
No.
We ain't getting this out. Did you open this?
They probably pinched one of these side cables in it.
Now it's not even doing nothing. Oh. It's probably good. It's probably bueno. So the only thing we need is the other thing. No mortar joint? So go all the way to the brick, 2 3/4. Just a little millimeter mortar. I just need a straight line.
We just need to cut this off. That's the piece that's staying.
So now we need to...
Something longer to get a straighter line. Good.
There you go, Yoni. Let's do it. Let's go.
Do it.
I'll set this front corner.
We do this every day.
They might need help pushing.
Nah.
He said nah.
Got the top stone on. That thing's probably 300 pounds easy.
The stone?
Yeah.
I think it's 800 pounds.
Oh. Probably 600.
Yeah.
600.
Without that piece now.
It don't look like it'd be that heavy, but it's...
Did you get the kids?
She's dense.
Whole day out.
So yeah, guys, got that stone set. That was pretty rough. I mean, that's 600 pounds stone. Took a little longer than we expected, but it's set now. The guys will get it wrapped up. We're gonna head to go see, well, we gotta go pick up the final payment from customer, then go see Lossettle. Time is running out. It's already like 2 p.m. Let's go. Stopped by this project. We poured concrete in the front. We did some paver work and some landscape stuff in the back. We did some yard cleanup that looks kind of shoddy, to be honest. So sent some pictures to the guys. We'll get that cleaned up, looking better. But here's what we're looking like right now. We're gonna be doing the stucco work on the foundation as well, because this foundation's all messed up. But new paver patio, new landscape and limestone border, looking good. Here's what I'm talking about in that yard cleanup. If you get down in here and look at this, I mean, look how clumpy this stuff is. That's unacceptable from our company, and our guys know that. Probably just was in a rush to get out of here or something. Still unacceptable. It needs to be cleaned up, raked better, packed in better, and then reseeded and restrawed. So yeah, sometimes you just gotta take it on the chin and admit your faults. We did all this right here. All the way around the deck. Looking good. Moving on to the next site. We're gonna go see Laz at another pool dig where he's doing some grading, building a big wall. So let's head there. We're pushing like 3:30, 4 o'clock now, so let's go.
What the f is up, YouTube? Coming back at you with another pour.
Cool time.
All right, babies. Ooh.
Maricón.
Oh yeah, concrete's here, boys. About to see, this is a little 12-foot section, 3 foot wide. We got 2 stairs. Me and Gabi gonna get this shit done. Savati, you ready? Huge, grande. I guess we'll start here, work our way back. See. You want me to do it with you? I got you. See? See, baby.
Operator error.
Nah.
I would have never got stuck like that. What's it say?
I won't unlock the bucket. It does this all day long.
You gotta hit both the green buttons.
No shit.
Get out of that. Let me show you.
Hold on.
Jesus, criminy. Hit that. Now hit the other green.
That's the start.
Pick your belt up and drop your belt. Now hit the green. Jackass.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
He does it all day long.
Jesus. I'd just watch out if I was you guys. Boy, damaging the whole neighborhood. At least get the yard signs out. Slide down that hill, boy.
Your bucket's gonna slide off, what?
Damn, that don't make no sense.
What?
You didn't move that rock by hand?
What rock?
That
That's the first thing he said. Oh, I guess you wasn't gonna move that? I said, no, Carter said that he'd get you a couple more scoops. This wall though, I could just dig it at an angle, right?
What are you talking about?
So this pink, this is all just rough. This pink line is basically the face of my wall.
Oh, that's face?
Face.
Why'd you spend so much time making it clean a foot, 2 feet, 4 foot away?
I'm gonna dig it at an angle back. I ain't gotta dig straight down.
Correct.
I mean, here, of course, the face,
Let me show you how to do it.
I gotta be straight down, but
Let
I'm
me show
saying
you how to do it.
I gotta be 4 foot more.
Let me show
Nah,
you.
don't start messing it up, because if we get rain, it's already clean. That's why I didn't start getting into that. Leave it how it is. Yeah, that over there is like 20, 22 inches, but like I said, right here, it's all high. Probably 3 foot high up in here.
Obviously, yo, you want to keep this. You definitely, priority's got to be build that dirt up to the top level of that patio and slope it down with the pool. You know that, right?
That's what I'm saying. We need to get that wall out of there. I
Yeah,
can't
these
bury
walls
that
got to
wall.
get out of here and we got to reuse them. Who said 90 foot? This don't look like no 90 foot.
What's 90 foot?
This wall.
51.4, and that's 4 foot off the house. 90 foot, 90 foot, that's over there.
90
Oh,
foot
51
total.
plus 32.
Yeah.
Oh, total, yeah. But it's off the house is 51.4, but it's 4 foot off the house, then the 51.4. So your 51.4, like I said, these are all rough lines, but it's more or less to here. Your face of your wall's here. What's like you said, I still got to dig back another 4 foot that way.
Well, I got guys coming here Monday to start building this wall. So we have another hour. Why don't I shape with the excavator and you can use the skid steer for at least 30 minutes or so. We can get a lot done like that. I could throw it down there and you could be grading it and moving.
Well, like I said, we need to string line it and do another 4 foot.
Right now, about to streamline this wall, see what's straight, see what makes sense for it. And then we're gonna try to figure out some of these elevations because originally we were gonna do 4 steps off that existing patio, but I'm looking like 2 steps would do it. I'm thinking 2 steps, Laz.
Instead of 4?
Yeah, I mean, this grade's already to a point where like a pool would work at this grade with the excavator sitting on. And we're already dropping another 2 foot lower than that. No need to go much lower. Nothing better than this weather. Nothing better than this weather, boy. Ready?
Go ahead,
Oh, the wind's,
pull it tight. And, right, more or less right there.
hold on.
Yeah, you got to get it tight. There you
Yeah.
go. And
Ready?
you're good there.
All right.
You got your mark?
Yeah, I got my mark. 10. Is that what your pink is right now, 10?
Yeah.
Gonna get out of here. Law's in the machine, doing some last minute touches for the weekend because it's gonna rain probably. Kind of waterproof the job site. We'll see you on the next one.